So I want to just show you very briefly how to get onto Canvas. You go to the MiraCosta webpage, miracosta.edu, and then you just scroll up here with your mouse to Online Ed, and you click on that. And then right here, you're going to log into Canvas. I am just going to use my regular ID, but normally this would be your Surf ID and Surf password. Then you're going to log in. And as long as you are enrolled in the course, it will show you your Canvas course. So obviously I have a lot of classes in here, but your class will come up looking something like this. I'm going to just click on one to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. You click on the class, and poof, there is your grammar class. That's how you log into Canvas. When you want to log out, which you should do at the end of every session, you're going to go up here into the top left corner where you see your name. I happen to also have my picture in there. You're going to click on yourself and click on Log Out. Make sure to log out after every session because you don't want anybody else getting into your grades or your assignment.